Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 43. We are currently continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we're boarding the California Street cable car and riding it halfway up the line. The California Street route is one of the city's most famous. These cable cars have been running since the 1870s, pulled not by engines, but by the underground cable system that constantly moves beneath the street. As soon as you climb aboard, you're surrounded by history. Wooden benches, polished brass, and the familiar clang of the bell that has become the sound of San Francisco. As the grip band engages the cable, the car lurches forward, accompanied by the rhythmic rattle of wheels and the steady hum of the moving cable beneath us. There are no engines, no motors, just the power of the underground machinery pulling us along. The ride up California Street is unforgettable. The street rises steeply, and with every block, the view back towards the bay grows wider. To one side you can see the towers of the financial district falling away, and behind them the Bay Bridge stretching out across the water. To the other, the row of classic San Francisco buildings climb the hillsides, their bay windows catching the afternoon light. The cable car moves at its own steady pace, not in a rush, but full of character. You feel the weight of the hills, the lean of the car as it pulls upwards, and the charm of the city revealing itself with each passing intersection. The clang of the bell cuts through the air, announcing our approach as we cross the grid of streets. As we continue our climb, halfway up California Street line, until the ride comes to an end. For today, this is where we'll stop, a journey carried by one of San Francisco's most enduring icons.
Whereabouts is the best place to get off Chinatown? Coming up, yeah. I'll let you know, don't worry.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.